Okay, let's go. I start my itinerary in Delaware. I depart from Delaware by car to New York. I depart New York by this beautiful yellow plane for West Virginia, which I depart for Kentucky. After Kentucky, I arrive to Missouri.
Right.
Missouri or Missouri? Missouri. Okay. I depart Missouri by car. And I arrive to Ohio also by car.
Great.
And finally, I arrive to Michigan. And the capital is Lansing.
Yep, you're
it's
right.
It's a strange name for me. I never heard it before.
Lansing.
I had never heard about this city before I bought this game.
Really? You heard of the other cities too?
For example, Columbus, Jefferson City, Frankfurt, Charleston,
Really?
Albany, yes, because in a lot of movies they mention it.
Okay, all right.
Especially about Italian gangsters.
Okay, that's
movie.
why.
So they always, the action takes place in New York, and they often have to go to Albany. So
You've been watching The Sopranos, haven't you?
what?
The Sopranos. You've been watching The Sopranos.
Sopranos?
Yeah.
It's a singers.
It's a TV show about Italian gangsters, and they live in New York City and New Jersey,
Okay.
but mainly in New Jersey. And they go and travel everywhere. They kill people, things like that.
Okay. Is it still popular? Is it still ongoing series?
It ended a few years ago, but it got a lot of awards. So it's popular for people who like TV shows that are liked by critics
Okay, I
because
see.
it got good reviews.
Okay.
Thank you.
Stop it.
Thank you for your itinerary.